Thank you for the time. My name is Mirah. I am a chemistry teacher. Right after graduating my bachelor degree, I work in forensic laboratory. In forensic laboratory, I was in charge of checking many samples of the crime scene. For example, from alcoholic cases, poisonous cases, and environmental cases. In 2018, I continued my master's degree in chemistry at Udayana University. After graduating, I became a chemistry teacher in Doremi Excellence School from grade 7 until 12. I never dreamed to become a science teacher or chemistry teacher before. This gives me a lot of experiences, such as handling the students in the classroom, knowing their characteristics, and teaching them chemistry. Well, because I am the chemistry teacher, I focus in the laboratory. In Doremi Excellence School, we have sufficient equipment and materials that can support the learning process and the experiments. The experiment is so essential for the students because they can apply their knowledge and problem-solving skills in a hands-on setting while working towards the goal of optimizing and enhancing current protocols used in the lab. In the experiment session, the students also develop their strong interpersonal and communication skills. I love science because I love to know how things work. I don't believe it is enough to accept everyday phenomena at face value. And I take a great satisfaction from developing a deeper understanding of things we take for granted, whether they be on the scale as the stars or the universe, or as small as the inner working of the atom. Chemistry is based on the modern atomic theory, which states that all matter is composed by the atom. Atoms themselves are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Each of these particles has its charge as follows: +1, 0, and -1. Atoms can make up everything. If I take this theory to our life, sometimes we have positive and negative thoughts, or we thought nothing. Do not just focus on negative things around us because we still have everything that we can grateful for and do our best during this life. Before, we experimented and investigated the acid and alkali around us. In this experiment, you are not allowed to taste or smell the substance because it is dangerous. So, we need an indicator to help us to investigate the type of substance. The common method is using litmus paper, universal indicator, or pH meter. By using knowledge in chemistry, we can develop natural indicators. We made the natural indicator from dried hibiscus flower and turmeric powder. We dissolved it in warm water and got the solutions from those materials. After that, we tested the color change on some substances, and the natural indicator produced different colors in acid, alkali, or neutral solutions. My students were so excited to see the colors change, and they could understand more about the topic when they had an experiment. They also can develop their interpersonal, communication, and problem-solving skills.